Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. Happy New Year to you. It is Thursday, January 2nd. I'm here today. I know a lot of traders will not be trading until Monday when we get back into the full swing of things. A lot of people are still on holiday, but I'll be here today. This is the daily frame, guys. We're about 30 seconds away from the open. You can see that we have the NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow, three sisters daily charts. We have technically a down day with a bullish body on the NASDAQ. We have an engulfing style day here. Took out prior day's low and high on the S&P with a bullish body so far. And we have a sort of an up day, kind of a marginal engulfing day here on the Dow as well, with a bullish body pressing up actually above the prior day's high. So a bit of a mixed bag here on the daily. This, of course, are the two sisters, the NASDAQ and S&P 1-minute charts with VWAP, volume weighted average price. We had some 8:30 news here earlier on this morning, right about here, and sold down from there. And we are now waiting for the open range to complete here, the 1-minute open range for me at the very least, and we'll do that, and I'll bring you back for that. But in the meantime, here is my trading grid. There's that daily chart with that down day. Here's the 30-minute chart, guys. We had that big sell-off there on Tuesday, December 31st. That was New Year's Eve day, of course. And then we are back here now on Thursday. Kind of worked our way up here through the Asian session, a little bit higher even in the UK, kind of into this resistance area from the UK session of Tuesday, New Year's Eve day, and then pressing down from there. We got a bit of a support zone here, not really a major support, but it's fairly significant. And then we have all this stuff going on right in through here. So we'll see how prices react to all of that. We have our open range here, guys. It has been set. Let me take a look at the amplitude there. 29 points, call it 30 points on the NASDAQ, and on the S&P significantly less, 10 points. And now we wait and see how prices behave from here. I'll put you on pause, guys, bring you back. I'm not going to jump on anything here. I likely won't trade this morning, but anything's possible. This, by the way, guys, is the UK, the London open range from 3 a.m. New York time, just to show you that the New York open range is basically the same, just slightly below the UK open range. This will be a significant area here for things like algos, programs, traders, you name it, since we, of course, do have an overlap between the London session, the European session, and the New York session here for about 2 hours or so. Take off that London open range so we can focus on the New York session. Going to eliminate this marker. There's that zone that I mentioned that was fairly insignificant. I'm just going to watch prices here, guys, and see how we act and react over here and into this clean traffic range if we get down there and stay down there. Otherwise, nothing for me to do. Really indecisive daily here, guys, kind of in the middle of Tuesday's range. Pushing down further here. I'm not going to chase this. Well, so far looking pretty weak here, guys, coming into the New York session. But again, I'm just going to watch, see if any fresh buying comes in here. All right, guys, watching here as we pull back up a little bit. I'm going to be watching this. I don't know if there's going to be an entry for me, quite frankly. I really would like to see this tap the 21 or get closer to it at the very least before taking any kind of a momentum style setup here. This could absolutely go right from here, right from now, but given that we do have a zone down here, funny looking zone given that it was before the market opened, after the market opened, but before the Asian session actually opened. In other words, futures were trading clearly, but the official Asian session hadn't begun yet. Let's go back to the two sisters. You can see that we have alignment in the S&P 500, almost identical price action. In fact, even the way it's acting and interacting with the 9 EMA. See that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 21. 21. So we do have broad agreement in the U.S. stock market. We just got to make sure we're agreeing on something that's tradable. So far, nothing for me. All right, guys, this is just a marker. Not doing anything here. Oh, there's some significant buying. I'll leave this off to the side here just to show you that I'm thinking, watching, dancing, gauging, but not engaging yet. All right, 30-second chart, guys. Sell stop order. Sell stop order right there. I could cancel this at any moment. And I likely will. So back to the 1 minute chart. Canceling that order, moving to the side. I'll stay on the 1 minute chart now. Nothing to do. Just measuring. Just measuring. Nothing live here, guys. Sell stop order, guys. Live now. Sell stop order. Stop above this body right there. See that there? Big shift candle, the one before it, and the body. From a symmetry standpoint, I think that works really well. Just watching. I could cancel this. Trying to get a feel for the buying interest here. Watching how the candles are forming and dancing. They're looking really strong, actually. This could be one of those V-bottom reversals. All right, canceling that. I think that's my second cancellation. I want to watch this for a while first here. Notice we haven't had a single break below 1 minute candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But now we're tapping the open range. All right, sell stop order, guys, right there below the current candle. Stop above this shift candle, the one that drove down through the open range and closed below. Here we go. Sell stop order, guys. I think this is a fair toss of the coin. If we break down below, then I want to be short this thing. But we have pulled all the way back from this range back into the initial trading range and tagged the open range, right? So it's fairly significant here. I'm canceling this order for now, guys. Again, I think that's the third cancellation. Pulling back very deeply now. Very serious V-bottom reversal here, guys. Everything taken back and more. So all bets are off for me. I'm going to watch this here with you. I'll put you on pause. I'm going to grab a cup of coffee in the meantime here. All right, guys, we're back. Just watching this now. I have no interest in longs above here, given this extended V reversal and the fact that we have a down day so far with bullish body, and then we're back into this essentially no man's land or no trading range for me on the 30-minute chart. So this looks like a no trade morning for me, but I'll keep my eyes open for a while. And looking like we're going to press to new highs again here, guys. But again, not interested. This arrow, guys, is just to indicate the extended move and why I will not be entering a long here unless something changes in the structure. And driving down back below open range, guys. Nothing for me to do here. There's just too much confusion going on here. Indecisive daily, still range bound 30, and indecisive whippy 1 minute chart. So as you can see, guys, I'm just having some fun with my Telegram group here. I think this will be a no trade day for me, guys. It is 10:27, almost 10:30. I'm going to end it here. I want to thank you for joining me. I hope you have an amazing day. Maybe I'll see you later if something sets up here, but for now, nothing going on here. Happy New Year to you. We'll talk soon.